Cell is a fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Anton van Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a living cell, and Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Sladen and Swan together formulated the cell theory. Omnis cellula e cellula was explained by Rodolphe Virchow. Cells that have membrane-bound nuclei are called eukaryotic, whereas cells that lack a nucleus are called prokaryotic. Ribosomes are non-membrane-bound cell organelles found in all cells. The smallest cell mycoplasma of 0.3 micrometer in length. The four basic shapes of bacteria are bacillus rod-like, coccus spherical, vibrio comma-shaped, and spirum spiral. A typical eukaryotic cell is of 10 to 20 micrometer and size of viruses is 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer. Many bacteria have small circular DNA in addition to genomic DNA and is called plasmid. In bacteria, the enfoldings of cell membrane is called mesosomes, which is the characteristic of prokaryotes. The cell envelope of prokaryotic cell consists of three layers: glycocalyx, cell wall, and plasma membrane. In some prokaryotes, glycocalyx could be loose sheath called slim layer, and sometimes it may be thick and tough called capsule. In bacteria, cell wall determines the shape of cell and provides structural support. In cyanobacteria, the membranous extensions into cytoplasm called chromatophores contains pigments. Motile bacteria have thin filamentous extensions from their cell wall called flagella, which is composed of three parts: filament, hook, and vessel body, in which filaments in the longest portion and extend from cell surface to the outside. Surface structure present in bacteria are flagella, pili, and fimbriae. Ribosomes are about 15 nanometer by 20 nanometer in size and are made up of two subunits. Prokaryotic have 70 S ribosomes, whereas eukaryotic have 80 S ribosomes. Several ribosomes may attach to a single mRNA and form a chain called polyribosomes or polysomes. The cell membrane is composed of lipids that are arranged in a bilayer. The membrane also contains protein and carbohydrates. In humans, the membrane of the erythrocyte has approximately 52% proteins and 40% lipids. According to fluid mosaic model, the quasi-fluid nature of lipids enables lateral movement of proteins within the overall bilayer. The model was given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. Reverse material in prokaryotic cells are stored in cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. Movement of water by diffusion across plasma membrane is called osmosis. Na plus K plus pump is an example of active transport. The primary cell wall of a plant cell is capable of growth, and secondary cell wall is formed on inner toward membrane side of the cell. The middle lamella is a layer chiefly made up of calcium pectate which glues neighboring cells together, and plasmodesmata connect the cytoplasm of neighboring cells. The endomembrane system includes ER, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles. The ER bearing ribosomes on their surface is called RER. The SER, the major site of synthesis of lipids. The vesicles from the ER fuse with CS phase of Golgi apparatus and move towards the maturing transphase. Golgi apparatus is the important site of formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. The lysosomal vesicles are rich in hydrolytic enzymes that are optimally active at acidic pH. The vacuole is bounded by a single membrane called tonoplast. In amoeba, the contractile vacuole is important for excretion, and in protist, food vacuoles are formed by engulfing the food particle. Mitochondria and chloroplast are double membrane bound structures. Inner compartment of mitochondria is called matrix and possesses a single circular DNA molecule. The cell organelle mitochondria is the site of aerobic respiration and it divided by fission. Plastids are classified based on the pigments into chloroplasts, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts. The core of eukaryotic flagella is called exosome, which consists of 9 pairs of doublets of radially arranged peripheral microtubules and 1 pair of centrally located microtubules. The arrangement of microtubules in eukaryotic flagella is referred to as 9+2. In flagella, the central tubules are connected by bridge and is enclosed by central sheath, which is connected to one of its peripheral doublets by radially spurs. The cilium and flagellum emerge from centriole-like structures called the basal bodies. Centriole is made up of 9 evenly spaced peripheral triplet fibrils of tubulin proteins. The space between two parallel membranes of nuclear envelope is called perinuclear space. The nuclear matrix is called nucleoplasm, which contains nucleus and chromatin. Nucleolus is a site for ribosomal RNA synthesis. The interphase nucleus has a loose and indistinct network of nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin, which contains DNA and some basic proteins called histones. Based on position of centromere, chromosomes are metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and telocentric. The primary constriction of chromosome is called centromere. Sometimes a few chromosomes have secondary constriction, which gives the appearance of a small fragment called the satellite. Chapter completed in just 10 minutes. अब मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। उस चैप्टर को भी हम बस 10 मिनट में कंप्लीट कर देंगे। किसी बच्चे को अगर कोई डाउट है या उसको कोई पॉइंट नहीं समझ में आया है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बता दे उसको क्या डाउट है या उसको कौन सा पॉइंट समझ में नहीं आया है।